Alam mo ba kung papaano nakakapag-stream ang maraming tao sa Netflix nang hindi bumabagsak ang website? Welcome to episode 19 on Project Code Sprint, where I talk about programming topics for the next 30 days. Let's go. Today we're going to talk about cloud engineering, although I am not a cloud engineer, but if you want contents related to cloud engineer, I'm gonna plug in my friend who is a cloud engineer. Rickson, you owe me. Isa sa mga platforms kung paano natin ma-practice ang cloud ay ang AWS or ang Amazon Web Services. Ginagamit ang AWS para tayo makapag-build, deploy, and manage ng apps at makapag-scale tayo globally. Imbis na meron kang server dito sa bahay nyo, why not just rent it? Therefore, AWS. Kasi doon, nagsiset-up ka lang ng databases, storage, automated deployments, and you're good to go. It just basically covers speed, reliability, and efficiency. Applications like Netflix, Spotify, Airbnb, Instagram, and a lot more use AWS. I'm not saying that AWS is the only platform. For example, in our company, Azure ang ginagamit namin. Kahit saang platform ka pa mag-deploy, mapa AWS or Azure man yan, the power of cloud lets your code go globally, scale instantly, and handle users that you never thought possible. So, pag-aralan, and you're not just coding, you're also building the future.